SASSA Gold Card Crisis. DA demands urgent action. A social grant crisis is unfolding in South Africa. Millions of beneficiaries are struggling to switch from SASSA Gold Cards to Postbank Black Cards before the looming deadline. The DA has stepped in, demanding an urgent extension. Will SASSA act in time, or will vulnerable people suffer? Let's break it down. What's happening? Yesterday morning, the Democratic Alliance proposed an urgent discussion in Parliament to tackle the SASSA card transition crisis. The proposal was unanimously supported by all committee members, showing just how serious this issue is. Why is the DA calling for an extension? The DA is urging SASSA to extend all gold cards until every social grant recipient in need of a Postbank Black Card has received one. Right now, countless beneficiaries are struggling to switch and are afraid they won't receive their grants if they don't get their new card in time. With just weeks to go, there's widespread confusion, delays, and frustration. A crisis SASSA should have seen coming. This isn't a new crisis. The switch from SASSA Gold Cards to Postbank Black Cards has been an ongoing project with multiple extensions. Despite having years to prepare, SASSA has once again failed to ensure a smooth transition. Instead, beneficiaries are facing lack of assistance. Many don't know where or how to switch their cards. Inadequate collection sites. In the Western Cape, only 12 sites exist, with none in the West region and very few in rural areas. No home visits. Elderly and disabled recipients are being ignored, leaving them stranded. Endless confusion. Many beneficiaries are being sent from pillar to post with no clear guidance from SASSA or Postbank. DA suggests an alternative solution. The DA has been advising beneficiaries to switch to reputable banks instead of relying on Postbank. But even this has been mishandled by SASSA, creating a massive backlog of switch requests that they can't process fast enough. Now, grant recipients are trapped between two bad options. 1. Stick with soon-to-expire gold cards. 2. Struggle through the chaotic switch to Postbank Black Cards. This is why the DA is demanding an immediate extension to clear the backlog and ensure no beneficiary is left without financial support. SASSA's last-minute response. SASSA now says they are negotiating an extension for the gold cards, but the big question is, why only now? This should have been planned, negotiated, and resolved months ago. Instead, SASSA is scrambling at the last minute, putting the most vulnerable citizens at risk. Is SASSA failing grant? To make up for lost time, SASSA is now training officials to help beneficiaries switch to Postbank Black Cards. But let's be real, this should have been done long ago. Right now, millions of South Africans, many of whom depend entirely on their grants, are paying the price for poor planning and mismanagement. The DA is clear: extend the SASSA Gold Card deadline, clear the backlog of switch requests. Ensure every grant recipient gets their money on time. Final thoughts: what happens next? So, what's next? Will SASSA announce an official extension for the gold cards, or will thousands be left without their much-needed grants? We'll keep you updated as this situation develops. What do you think? Should SASSA extend the deadline? Have you or someone you know struggled with this transition? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more updates on SASSA and social grant news. Stay informed, stay prepared,